Are you making these costly mistakes? Alright, so let's talk AI. Are you wasting your time with AI? Let's fix that. It's everywhere, right? I know you have heard a lot about AI. AI can make you rich. Just use ChatGPT and boom, money starts rolling in. The internet is flooded with these claims, painting AI as this magic button for instant success and effortless income. You see the gurus, the flashy headlines, the promises of overnight fortunes, all powered by artificial intelligence. It's easy to get caught up in that excitement thinking this is the shortcut you've been waiting for. But here's the thing, if that were true, why are so many people spinning their wheels, wasting hours, and making peanuts? Think about it. If AI was a guaranteed path to riches, we'd all be millionaires by now. The reality is, a lot of folks are diving in head first without a clear understanding, and instead of seeing those promised returns, they're just getting frustrated. They're putting in the effort, trying out the tools, but something's not clicking. They're not seeing the results, and that initial excitement quickly turns into disappointment and a feeling of being left behind. So, what's the disconnect? Well, today I'm revealing the 5 deadly AI mistakes that are secretly draining your time, killing your productivity, and yes, costing you real money. These are the pitfalls that the hype doesn't tell you about. The common traps that many fall into without even realizing it. We're going to break them down one by one so you can see exactly where things might be going wrong. So grab a notebook, stay glued, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to fix it. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Over-reliance. AI isn't your autopilot CEO. First up, and this is a big one, is over-reliance on AI. Let's get real. AI is powerful, incredibly powerful, but it's not a magic wand. So many people think, I'll just prompt ChatGPT to build my business, write my entire ebook from scratch, design my whole brand identity, and boom, it's done. And look, I get the appeal. It sounds fantastic, like having a tireless, brilliant employee who works for free. But that's where the misconception lies. AI in its current state can't replace genuine strategic thinking, deep market understanding, or your unique vision for your business. It can generate text, images, and even code, but it doesn't inherently understand your specific audience's nuanced needs or the competitive landscape you're operating in. Think of AI as a super smart intern. An intern can be incredibly helpful. They can do research, draft documents, handle repetitive tasks, and even come up with some decent initial ideas. But would you hand over the entire strategic direction of your company to an intern without any guidance, oversight, or critical input? Probably not. Similarly, AI needs direction. It needs a well-defined strategy, and most importantly, it needs you. Your expertise, your experience, your critical judgment, these are things AI can't replicate. It can augment your abilities, but it can't substitute for your core understanding and decision-making. Relying on AI without understanding your niche, your audience, or your overarching goals is like trying to win a Formula One race by just putting the car on autopilot and hoping for the best. You're gonna crash, or at the very least end up far from your desired destination. You might get something done, but it likely won't be effective, targeted, or aligned with what you actually want to achieve. Always remember this. AI works best when you work with it, guiding it, refining its outputs, and integrating its capabilities into your well-thought-out plan, not just letting it run wild and expecting miracles. It's a partnership, not a full delegation of responsibility. Mistake number 2, poor prompting. Garbage in, garbage out. Alright, mistake number 2, and this one is crucial: poor prompting. Here's the unvarnished truth. AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. If your prompt sounds like, write me a blog about business, you're essentially setting yourself up for a bland, generic, zero-value output. What kind of business? Who is the blog for? What's the key takeaway? What tone are you aiming for? Without that detail, the AI is just guessing, and its guess is likely to be a compilation of widely available, uninspired information. It's like asking a chef to make some food. You might get something edible, but it's unlikely to be what you actually craved or needed. Instead, imagine you prompt it with something like this. Write a 500-word blog post for beginner entrepreneurs on how to start an online store in 2024 using Shopify, focusing on the initial setup, product sourcing, and basic marketing tips. Include examples where possible and a clear step-by-step action plan. The tone should be encouraging and practical. Boom! Now look at the difference. You've given context, you've specified the target audience, you've dictated the tone, the desired length, key topics to cover, and even the structure. You're providing clear, actionable parameters. This allows the AI to focus its vast knowledge base and generate something far more specific, relevant, and ultimately useful. AI is not meant to be a mind reader. It's meant to follow your lead, meticulously. Think of prompts as recipes. If you want a gourmet, Michelin star-worthy result, you need to provide gourmet, detailed instructions. Vague instructions will get you the AI equivalent of instant noodles, quick, but ultimately unsatisfying and not very nourishing for your goals. The more thought and specificity you put into your prompts, the better the quality of the output you'll receive. It's an investment of a few extra minutes up front that can save you hours of editing and frustration down the line, and dramatically improve the value of what the AI produces for you. Moving on to mistake number 3, using the wrong AI tool for the job. The AI landscape has exploded and there are hundreds if not thousands of AI tools out there now. But here's the key, they're not all made equal, and they're certainly not all designed to do the same things. It's tempting to find one tool like ChatGPT and try to make it your universal AI solution for everything. But that's a recipe for inefficiency and often poor results. For example, you wouldn't use ChatGPT to try and edit a complex YouTube video with multiple layers, transitions, and color grading. And you definitely wouldn't rely on Canva's AI image generator to perform deep, intricate data analysis for a financial report. Each AI tool is typically specialized, built with a specific purpose and dataset in mind. Using a tool outside of its intended function is like trying to hammer a nail with a screwdriver. You might eventually get it done, but it'll be messy, frustrating, and far from optimal. So here's a quick cheat sheet to give you a general idea. For tasks like writing, brainstorming, summarizing text, and even generating code snippets, ChatGPT or similar large language models are fantastic. When it comes to design, illustrations, and visual concepts, tools like Midjourney or DALL-E are your go-to. For video editing and creation, especially from text or existing footage, platforms like Pictory or InVideo offer powerful AI-driven features. If you're looking for AI-powered logo design and branding, services like Looka or Brandmark can give you a solid starting point. And for productivity, planning, note-taking, and organizing information, Notion AI or Claude can be incredibly helpful. The principle is simple. Right tool equals sign right results and usually faster results with less effort. Wrong tool equals sign wasted time, frustration, and subpar outcomes. Imagine trying to dig a well with a spoon. That's what using the wrong AI tool feels like. Take the time to identify the best AI for your specific task. It will pay off significantly in terms of quality and efficiency. This brings us to mistake number 4, having no strategy and just jumping on the AI hype train. So many people hear AI is the future, or see a viral tweet about an AI making someone money, and they immediately dive in without a clear plan or purpose. They might hastily set up a faceless YouTube channel churning out AI-generated voiceover videos on trending topics, or perhaps they'll use an AI to rapidly drop 10 AI-generated ebooks on Amazon, hoping one of them magically takes off. But the problem is there's often no underlying brand, no specific audience targeting, no thoughtful content strategy, and crucially no clear monetization plan beyond just hoping for ad revenue or a few sales. It's like building a technologically advanced rocket ship with all the latest AI-powered navigation, but having absolutely no destination programmed into the system. You'll burn a lot of fuel, create a lot of motion, maybe even generate some initial buzz, but ultimately, you're likely to run out of steam or crash because there was no guiding purpose or direction. The goal isn't just to use AI for the sake of using AI, that's just being busy. not productive or strategic. AI is a powerful enabler, a tool that can amplify your efforts, but it needs to be applied within a coherent framework. Your real goal should be to leverage AI to serve a clear mission, to solve a specific problem for a defined audience, or to achieve a concrete business objective. Are you using AI to create better content for your existing audience? To streamline a tedious part of your workflow so you can focus on higher value tasks? To analyze data and gain insights that inform your business decisions? Without this strategic underpinning, your AI efforts, no matter how sophisticated the tools you use, will likely be scattered, inefficient, and ultimately, unlikely to yield the significant results you're hoping for. Strategy first, then AI implementation. Finally, mistake number 5, and it's one that can undermine all your other efforts: forgetting the human touch. AI can help you write, it can help you edit, it can generate ideas, create images, and automate a ton of tasks. It's incredible for efficiency and scale. But what AI in its current form struggles with profoundly is genuine emotion, nuanced empathy, and true authenticity. And those are the very things that build connection, trust, and loyalty with an audience or customer base. That's on you. Your unique perspective, your personality, your lived experiences, these are irreplaceable. Whether it's the content you create for your blog or YouTube channel, the emails you send to your subscribers, the online courses you develop, or the posts you share on social media, always add a human twist. Don't just take the raw AI output and hit publish. Refine it, inject your story into it, share your personal struggles and how you overcame them, let your unique voice shine through. AI can give you a fantastic first draft or a solid foundation, but it's your human layer on top that will make it resonate. People don't truly connect with or follow robots, no matter how intelligent they seem. They follow realness, they connect with vulnerability, they are drawn to personalities they can relate to and trust. That's how you build a genuine community, foster engagement, and ultimately, drive conversions in a sustainable way. If your content feels cold, generic, or obviously machine-generated, you risk alienating the very people you're trying to reach. So, use AI as your powerful assistant, but always be the heart and soul of your brand and your communication. That human edge is not just a nice to have, it's your competitive advantage in an increasingly AI-driven world. So there you have it, 5 critical mistakes that could be holding you back from truly unlocking the power of AI. While you explore the world of AI, and I encourage you to do so, always remember these key takeaways. Don't over-rely. Guide your AI, be the strategist. Fix your prompts. Be specific and strategic in your instructions. Use the right tool for the job. Don't try to make one tool do everything. Bring strategy, not just hype. Know your why before you dive into the how. And crucially, never lose your human edge. Authenticity is your superpower. AI is undeniably a game changer. It has the potential to revolutionize how we work, create, and even earn. But it's only a game changer if you play it smart. Avoid these 5 traps, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking the full power of automation, enhancing your creativity, and significantly boosting your income potential. It's about working smarter, not just harder, and using these incredible tools as an extension of your own skills and vision, rather than a crutch or a source of frustration. Now, I know that's a lot to take in. So, to help you implement these fixes, do you want a quick reference AI fix checklist with tools, tips, and prompt templates that actually work? If that sounds good, just comment AI fix down below, and I'll make sure to send it your way. Also, if you found this valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and turn on the notification bell because in the next video, I'm showing you 3 AI workflows that can potentially make you $500 per week on autopilot. Let's stop guessing and start winning with AI. See you in my next video. Bye.